Welcome to how to remove suggestions on Instagram messages. So in this video we are going to show you how to remove suggestions on Instagram messages. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do here is you can just simply open up your Instagram and then go into your profile. Okay, so basically make sure that your Instagram account is a business account, because this will only work on business Instagram account. And then you will basically tap on these three lines at the top right here, and then if you have a business account, you will see business option here. Okay, in this list you will see a option which is business. So you will simply tap on that business options, and then you will see multiple different options, and in one of those multiple options there will be the option suggested messages. So you just open up and just turn it off, and that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.